Hey there, learners! Are you ready to boost your English comprehension like never before? Whether you're preparing for exams or just want to get better at understanding English, I've got some fantastic classroom exercises that will turn you into a comprehension wizard. First up, let's dive into reading authentic texts. This isn't just about flipping through textbooks. I'm talking about newspapers, novels, blogs, and even menus. When you read real-world materials, you encounter language as it's actually used, which dramatically improves your vocabulary and understanding of sentence structures. Here's a simple exercise. Pick an article that interests you. Read it once for the gist. Then go back and jot down new vocabulary and key phrases. Discuss these with your classmates or jot down your thoughts on how these terms are used differently. This interaction with diverse texts will sharpen your reading skills in no time. Moving on to listening comprehension. Here, the key is exposure to natural spoken English. It can be from podcasts, movies, or even interviews. Listen to a short clip, then try to summarize what was said. Better yet, transcribe a few sentences. You'll notice that as your ear gets better at picking up words and phrases, your overall understanding will skyrocket. For an effective classroom activity, play a video or audio clip twice. After the first play, discuss with your peers what you understood. Then listen again and see if you can catch more details or correct any misunderstandings. It's fun and incredibly beneficial. Lastly, let's talk about note-taking. This is crucial for both reading and listening exercises. Whether you're jotting down bullet points or sketching a mind map, taking notes forces you to pay attention and process information actively. Start by writing down key points during your reading or listening practice, and gradually you'll find it easier to capture the essence of the text or conversation quickly and effectively. Remember, improving your English comprehension is a journey. These exercises aren't just assignments, they are stepping stones to becoming fluent and confident in English. So, grab a book, tune into an English podcast, and start practicing today. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how fast your skills develop. Keep at it, and soon, you'll not only understand English better, but also enjoy the beauty and nuance of the language. Happy learning, everyone!